That bar's just like a tattoo. Gets under your skin.
So today we're going to be doing some metal detecting out here in the woods. Got the Scots. Going to be using this Bounty Hunter Tracker IV that I've had for a while. Basically know how to use it, kind of. I've also got this thing with the thing on my belt. This is the POV little handheld metal detector. So once I find something big with that, I will dig it up a little bit. I got a trowel in there I'm going to grab. And then I will use this, and you stick that in the hole, and this is basically really precise. So it's only going to beep when it's basically touching metal or like that close, and it has different beeps so you know how far away you are. All right, that's all powered on. Here we go. So basically I just hover it above the ground. Try that wheel. Like this. Probably not going to be much here because this was untouched woods that I recently cleared. I recently cleared this brush out, so there's probably not going to be much there. But this trail's been here for a while, so we'll just walk it. Maybe I'll find something I've lost. Just gonna keep going here. Is it on still? Yep, still working. Not a whole lot around here, I guess. It's a beautiful fall day today. I'm just gonna walk down this way some. I'm gonna go kind of slow through here because there might be something. That's a big down tree. We're gonna have to clean that up. This thing's huge. Absolutely massive. Look at it. Looks like it was rotted though. Look at that. It's just coming right apart. Bottom was rotted, but this top part, it doesn't look too bad. This part up here might be good for firewood. Moving on. I'm gonna continue up this trail. I'm probably gonna go off the trail up here just because it's not proving to be very good. Okie doke, so we're back to the side of the barn here. So the Scots is over there a little ways. Almost made a full circle, but right here is what looks like a really circular tree stump, but it isn't. It's a telephone pole. So I think the power lines used to run through here because there's another one over there. You can see we got like the badge right there. This is number, it says right there it's number 957. Got something right next to this pole here. I'm gonna say it's right here. Oh, there it is. It's not even buried. What is it? Oh, it's big. Look at that. Looks like a clamp for the wires. This side's rusted, but this side isn't. No idea what part of the telephone pole this could be. Guessing it probably goes, I'm guessing that's the bottom because the numbers are there. So I'm guessing the top would have been up there. So we'll check the top for any more pieces, but if you guys have any idea what part of the telephone pole this may have been, or if it even is a part of the telephone pole, or it's just coincidentally next here, let me know in the comments because I have no idea what this is. Continuing onwards across the pole here. Not very strong. Oh, there she is. But I think it's part of the telephone pole. I'm not gonna bother getting that out because that's lame. It's just some piece of wire with a hook on the end. There it is, guys. It's the other side of that hook. That was on the other end. Right there. It's another one of those wires. Another one. You know what this one looks like it's still in its original shape. I bet this goes around telephone pole and it gets clamped like that to hold, oh, I broke it, to hold whatever it needs to hold in place. And we're back. Okie doke. So we didn't find much, but did find this. This isn't too bad, so we'll be taking that back with us. I almost forgot to show you guys the collection and add this to it. So we'll set that in our nice collection box here. But we got a horseshoe. Pretty rusty. We got a piece of wire. Here's the bear trap. It's gotten worse since I've thrown it in this flower box here, but this goes like that. Should go like that. But that's pretty brittle. I have more stuff too, but I don't know what's happened to it. I had a big metal pole, but I don't know. Could have sworn I threw it over here in the woods where it'd be safe, but apparently not. We'll add that to it. That should get nice and rusty along with all the other stuff. Rust away in the flower box instead of out in the woods. So that's all for today. We'll see you later.